If you prefer a clean and distraction-free browsing experience, Opera GX lets you simplify your new tab page by removing unnecessary elements like speed dial, widgets, and promotional shortcuts. In this video, I'll show you how to create a minimalistic new tab in Opera GX. Let's get started. First, open Opera GX on your computer and open a new tab. On the new tab page, you'll usually see speed dial shortcuts, widgets, and sometimes promotional suggestions. To begin cleaning this up, click the Opera GX logo in the top left corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Settings or press Alt+P to open it instantly. Once you're inside Settings, use the search bar and type speed dial. This will take you directly to the section that controls what appears on your new tab page. Here you can disable speed dial, which removes the grid of shortcut tiles from the page. You will also see an option about promotional speed dials. Turning this off prevents Opera GX from showing recommended or sponsored shortcuts on your new tab page. Next, look for the widgets option and turn it off to remove extra panels like news, weather, or other content blocks. You can easily do that by clicking on Easy Setup at the top right corner, clicking the toggle next to Widgets. Alternatively, inside Settings, type in Widgets into the search bar. Click Widgets, then toggle it off. Once these options are disabled, your new tab page will become much cleaner and more minimal. Instead of a busy dashboard, you'll be left with a simple layout that focuses on just the essentials. If you would like to go all the way and hide everything, go to Settings and search for Hide Search Box. Toggle it. This can make browsing feel faster, less distracting, and more visually consistent, especially if you're using a custom wallpaper or theme. And that's it. You've successfully created a minimalistic new tab experience in Opera GX. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Opera GX customization guides, browser tips, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.